1996 Chevy Tahoe, two-door SUV, I guess. What we got done on it, he just bought it from Kentucky. And in Kentucky, they cut everything off. See those pipes over there? So he wants it legal for Tennessee. So what did we do? There's the manifolds there and there. Then we put two brand new catalytic converters. Right there, high flows. Then we put a Y pipe right there. Then we put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. Part number 8424165. Oh, I don't know where I got 65 from. 842515. And the catalytic converters are 608 264s. We'll have a link on both of them in the description. And then you got a 2.5-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch angle cut tip right there. So it's got a whole brand new system basically all the way through right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Again. Spewing out pure black smoke. That's how congested it was. Anyways, here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 101. What do you guys think? Super 10? He just bought it and brought it to us. And it sounds a lot better. Let you guys hear on the inside.